Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tanvi Mahant, founder and owner of HomeoHeals Clinic, and welcome back to my channel HomeoHeals. So in today's video, we are going to talk about another Bach Flower Remedy, that is Agrimony. So as a homeopathic consultant, if I feel there is a requirement in a particular case, I do use Bach Flower remedies along with homeopathic medicines. So let's talk about Agrimony today. So Agrimony people, they appear to be very cheerful, happy-go-lucky. They are people pleasers. So they always want people surrounding them. They have a very good sense of humor. They are peace lovers. So they will avoid fights. They will avoid quarrels. But internally, these people are troubled by thoughts, worry. They are tormented by certain maybe childhood trauma or certain ongoing trauma or maybe a domestic violence, and they are just hiding all this deep within. They are suppressing these emotions, and outwardly they come across to very cheerful, happy-go-lucky people. Now, why do they hide these emotions? Firstly, is they do not want opposite people to show that they are facing certain turmoils. They do not want opposite people to be sad. And also, it is very difficult for them to face their emotions, to face their worry. And for this reason, they avoid being alone and they always desire for company. They are always, helping others so that they forget their internal turmoil and thoughts. But what happens when they are alone or when they are retiring to bed at night and when they are alone? All these thoughts, the internal turmoil just keeps on coming in their mind. And when there is a time, these emotions are too much, these bottled up emotions are so much that they cannot control and they cannot face them, they might go into a sort of depression, and they might go into drug abuse, or they might start taking alcohol so that they can calm down from the dark side or calm down the emotions, and they will not have to face them. So this is a state of Agrimony patient. So it is a good medicine for people who are into alcoholism or maybe drug and substance abuse also, or people who are into a state of sadness and depression, and you find this history which I just mentioned. So, but these people are basically peace lover and they always want harmony. So there is no sense of violence or anger in them. So when such people are given Agrimony, it sort of help people to face their emotions, or they face their negative thoughts in a better way. They become more honest with themselves and others, and they are not pretentious as they are earlier, and it makes their life a little bit better. They become more optimistic and positive towards their life. So in such cases, we can use Agrimony if required, and it gives good results. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. This video was just to create awareness about Bach Flower remedies and how it can help to balance emotions. Before taking any medicines, do consult your homeopathic doctor. So do share this video with more and more people. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to like my channel and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you.